Hey there, Jeff Heyman here. We are about to get to the video. Before we get to the video though, I'd like to welcome you to click the link in the description. It's the first link you're going to see right down below. And it's going to take you to a page that's going to show you the exact system that I'm currently using to make thousands of dollars every single month and work from home full time. This is the exact same system that allowed me to go ahead and quit my 9 to 5 in early 2018. Since then, I've been living the work from home lifestyle, and it's been fantastic. I've got hundreds of students doing the same thing. Overall in this system, literally there are thousands of people that are using this to make a fantastic monthly income. And the exciting part about this is that it is super affordable to get started. We're talking about $12 that you can turn into an income that can literally help you make as much money as you want. The sky is the limit here. So it doesn't matter if you're on a tiny budget or you've got a lot of money. It doesn't matter. You can get started here, and I'm going to show you at the link below how to leverage just $12 and turn that into thousands of dollars per month. So I'll see you at the link, and now let's go ahead and get to the video.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. This is our course on e-com profits. Getting more sales. Now, getting more sales is the name of the game, and two of the best ways to do this is with persuasive writing and pricing strategy. Here are a few of the pricing strategies you can use. Special price offers. A special offer is a great way to get people to buy your products. If the price you're offering is truly a very special offer, you'll get lots of people take you up on it. The downside is that you'll be making less per product sold, but the idea is that you sell more of the item, so therefore the overall earnings are increased. Limited time offers. You can make an offer only last for a certain amount of time, and this means that people will react to the time limit and grab the deal while they can. This works really well because instead of people going away to think about the purchase, they do it there and then. It's an impulse buy because they can see the timer ticking away and the chance of them missing out on the deal that they want. People tend to buy with emotion, not reason, so the fact they think they may miss out is a huge pull to go and get that now, whereas if they were to go away and think about it, they may not. Limited quantity offers. Another way to make something limited is to only have a certain amount for sale. Once the amount has been sold, they come off sale and no one can buy that offer. This makes the item seem more valuable in the eyes of the buyer because people always want things that no one else can have. Contrast pricing. As humans, we tend to judge the value of something by comparing it to something else. A price on its own may not look expensive until it's next to something that's much cheaper and therefore makes it look even more. We can use this to our advantage by making something look much more desirable and affordable by putting it next to something that's very expensive. And this works both ways. It either pushes the cheaper item because of the value they're getting, or it proves the luxury premium of the more expensive item, which makes it more desirable. This sort of contrast pricing can also be used to push up the value of your overall sale by putting the right sort of offer in front of your customer. For example, if someone just spent $500 on something, they probably won't think twice about adding an extra $10 or $20 item. However, if they've only spent $5 and then you offer them a $25 upgrade, they're unlikely to add this. It's all about how you position the upgrades and what price points they have entered the cart at. Bundling or buy one get one free. Another way to get more out of each customer is to let people bundle things together, and then they get discounts for getting more of something. This could be as simple as a buy one get one free, or it could be spend $20 and get $5 free offer. Or you could have a special bundle section where people can pick a certain amount of items for a fixed amount. This makes people feel like they're getting a much better deal and encourages them to buy more from your shop. Loss leaders and high ticket items. When you're setting up a store, it's a good idea to have some high ticket items that you may not sell many of, but when you do sell them, you make a great profit. By having something that's high ticket, you can also use lower items as a way to get people into your store. Maybe even just breaking even on the lower ticket items, but pushing the higher ticket item that makes you big money after they bought it. Having the lower ticket items also means that you'll be open to more people purchasing from you and seeing the higher ticket stuff. But if you only have high ticket items, then people will be a bit wary about spending their money with you. The low ticket items means they can see that you're legitimate and test you out and that everything works just fine, and then they may well go for the higher ticket stuff. Persuasive writing. You want people to act on impulse and spend their money right there and then. The second they go away to think about it, you could well lose that sale. That's why good writing is essential when it comes to your store. By having persuasive writing about your products, you can focus on the emotional aspects of it rather than the physical aspects, because people are much more likely to act on the emotion than they are on the reasoning. This is known as the value proposition. This basically means that you would describe the product in such a way that it shows how it will improve someone's life. Instead of looking at what the product is made of or what it actually is, you look at what people will gain from spending money on it. For example, no one buys a set of weights because they want something heavy in the house. They buy it because they want to get fitter and healthier and be more attractive. You should make people see how it can improve their life by buying the product you're advertising. And a good way to do this is to make them see themselves using the product through your descriptive writing. Split testing. All of the things we've talked about can help your store make more sales. And if you get it right first time, then great, you're onto a winner. But what if you don't? One way to find out what's working and what isn't is split testing. By split testing, what you're doing is creating two different versions of whatever you want to test. This could be the entire description or just the colour of the headline, but the idea is that you run both and find a winner, and then you go with the winner for your listing. This way you can change your site over time until everything is perfectly optimised to get the highest percentage of visitors turning into buyers.